Hi, if you're a Motability customer, after your vehicle lease ends and you've handed it back to the dealer, Motability could pay you a good condition bonus if the vehicle hasn't suffered any serious damage. The dealer you give the vehicle back to will take photographs and carry out an appraisal, and then if Motability decide that it qualifies for their good condition bonus, they'll pay the money directly to you via a bank transfer or send you a cheque in the post. The good condition bonus is currently worth £600 for a car leased over 3 years and up to £900 for a vehicle leased over 5 years, usually a wheelchair accessible vehicle. A general wear and tear, such as minor dents or scratches, including those caused by the use of wheelchairs and other mobility aids, are expected, so as long as there are no major faults or serious damage, you should be eligible for the bonus. It's all automatically processed by Motability, which means you don't have to make a claim or fill out any additional paperwork. Many customers choose to use this extra money to help with the cost of the advance payment of their next Motability vehicle. So, why do they do this? Well, when you hand your vehicle back to the dealer, they usually return it to Motability, who then sell it on through either their online system or at a motor auction. By keeping it in a good condition, Motability should be able to sell your vehicle at a higher price. So it's a win-win for everyone, and it's Motability's way of saying thank you for taking great care of your vehicle.